A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will learn the new letter W. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? W for watch लिखना सीखेंगे. आज हम क्या करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? W for watch लिखना सीखेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Okay. Now see here the formation of W. कौन सा लेटर सीखेंगे चिल्ड्रन आज? W. Speak with me. W. W for watch. This is the picture of watch. See here. This is a watch. Now look at here. The first line is curve. You have to draw a small curve. Okay. Then you have to draw a slanting line. Okay. This is a slanting line. Then again a curve. You have to draw this curve from red line to the middle of the, in between the red line and the first blue line. Okay. Now you have to draw a slanting line. See here. This is a slanting line from red line to the second blue line. Then you have to draw a curve. This is a curve. Again you have to draw a slanting line, then a curve, then again a slanting line and a loop here. Okay, so first is curve, second is again a curve with a slanting line, third is again a curve with a slanting line. You have to draw two curve with two slanting lines. This is again a slanting line, this is one more slanting line. Then fourth one you have to draw a loop. Fourth one आपको क्या बनाना है children? Loop बनाना है आपको red line से नीचे. You have to draw a loop below the red line. Okay, so this is a letter W. W for watch. Speak with me. W for watch. Now the spelling of watch. W A T C H. Again speak with me. The spelling of watch. W A T C H. Watch. Now you have to match the dots and make the letter W. आपको dots match करके letter W बनाना है. See here and draw with me and match the dots. Draw a curve, start from here like this, then a slanting line. Okay, red line से blue line तक slanting line बनाई, then curve बनाया, then again slanting line, one more curve, again a slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Speak with me. W for watch. Now again see here, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, one more curve, slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Very good. Now see here again, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, one more curve, slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Watch. W for watch. You have to speak with me. W for watch. Now see here again. Draw the W. Match the dots. Slanting line. Slanting line. Curve. Slanting line. And a loop. See here. W for watch. Again. Speak with me. W for watch. You have to draw very neat and clean. Again, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line and a loop. W for watch. See here the spelling of watch. Speak with me. W A T C H. Watch. Now again, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, curve, one more slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Very good. Now again write with me, curve, slanting line, one more slanting line, curve, slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Now again write with me, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, again a slanting line and a loop. W for watch. Very good. Now what you have to do, आपको होमवर्क करना है कर्सिव लेटर का रिविजन, कर्सिव लेटर का प्रैक्टिस, देन आपको फुल पेज प्रैक्टिस करनी है और पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.